Okay, students, this is Ssc Cgl Tier 1, model test number 51. So, let's try to solve this question. The first question is from letter series. Which letter cluster will replace the question mark to complete the given series? So, comparison is done with the first letter first. Okay, na? Y is how much? 25. C is how much? 3. 25 and 3 ante plus 4. Okay, na? K and O. K is 11, O is 15. This is also plus 4. So I can clearly say the difference between the place values of the first letters is plus 4. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 and 20, G. Your answer should start with G. How many options? Only one option. Look at the next question here. What's happening with this question? P is older than Q, R is younger than S. S is younger than P and Q is younger than R. Arrange them in descending order of their ages. Descending order. Ante the first person will be with the highest age. Avuna kada. See, don't worry. We will solve this question only based on the options. What is the first point? P is older than Q. First option is not my answer. P is older than Q. Third option is also not my answer. Next is what? R is younger than S. When he says R is younger than S, fourth option says R is elder than S. Closed. Which is the answer? Closed. Kidney is related to nephrologist. Eye is related to ophthalmologist. And the same way lungs. See, my specialists in kidney, they are called as nephrologists. Similarly, the specialist of lungs, who do you call him as? Pulmonologist. First option. 7 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V are around a circular table facing towards the center. How many persons? Sitting around a circular table facing the center. R is neighbor of what? R is neighbor of P and V. So it clearly says that R is adjacent to P and V. But look at the next point here. Q is to the immediate right of P. So R is the neighbor of P and V. Next in Judo. U sits second to the left of S. U sits second to the left of S ante S sits second to the right of U. S sits second to the right of U. Only one possibility. What is left out? P, Q, R, S, T. Question: what is V's position? What is V's position? First second to the right of U? No. Immediate left of S? Kadu. Immediate right of S. Second to the left of Q, between R and S? Yes. Fourth option. Fifth question. Now fifth question is based on analogy, but this has nothing to do with reasoning, but this is purely based only on English. Jubilant and elated, these are synonyms. They mean happy, joyful. So, tranquil and intricate, no. Considerate and kind, yes. Kind, being kind to us. Careful, considerate and careful and ardham, kind. So now select the option that arranges the following words in a logical and meaningful order. Now you have names of former prime ministers of India. Either you have to arrange from first to last or from last to first. If I go from first, it will be Jawaharlal Nehru who is first. Avuna kada. And then he says Lal Bahadur Shastri. After that, Indira Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. 31524. Again, this question is given to us from general awareness. It has nothing to do with reasoning. So that's what I say. You have only limited number of questions, kada? Only 100 questions. So only 25 in general awareness. So general awareness and general studies covers a huge portion. So this simple 25 questions is not enough to cover. So what they do is, they'll use reasoning. At least 2 questions they'll give from that here. Either in analogy or odd man out. Now look at this question. I always suggest that we will go with the repeated letters. If I see after F and G, I see H here. Avuna kada. So can I say this is FGH? Malli FGH? Malli FGH. I everywhere is the fifth letter. Avuna kada. So WV ochindi. Avuna kada cheppandama. So UV W maybe this is X and that is y. So which option should be my answer? Option number 2. Now tell me about this. Is this mirror image or water image? And where is the mirror placed? Is it on the right side? Yes or no? The mirror is placed on the right side. Can you guess what's the answer? Ma, can you guess what is the answer? Second option. Clear? Not that difficult. Let me go for this. LCT PXK BGU. Total how many letters? 9 letters. Now L is coded as O, C as X, T as G. Very happy. As soon as you see L and O, you decided what it is. Opposite letters. But what about the remaining 3 letters? R, U, M, these are not opposite letters. But the next one, B, Y, G, T, U, F, these are opposite. I have opposite and opposite with the first and the last set. But in the middle, something else is happening here. 16, 18 plus 2. 24, 21 minus 3. 11 and 13 plus 2. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి బై సిఎఫ్ఎల్ బాబు సిఎఫ్ఎల్ సి ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటిది ఎక్స్ ఎఫ్ ఇస్ యు ఎల్ ఇస్ ఓ ఎవ్రీ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ద సేమ్ అవునా కాదా? సరే నెక్స్ట్ వాటికి వెళ్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ 3 లెటర్స్ ఏమవ్వాలి? +2 -3 +2. డబ్ల్యూ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 23 +2 5 25 y. U -3, U is how much? 21 -3 మా 21 -3 అంటే 18 కదా R. తర్వాత ఏంటిది V +2 24 x. XUOYRX. XUOYRX. Only one option is eliminated. The 3 options are still alive. G, T, T, G, U, F. Done? Question number 10. 30th January 2017 was Thursday. On what day of the week was 30th January 2009? What's the gap? 2 years. Do you see any leap year in between? No. So how many odd days? 2 odd days. Thursday +2. Katam. Dead easy question. 7 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Each has different age. Only. Now what's the total number of persons here? Only 2 people are elder than E. Only 2 people are elder than E. Next. D is older than E but younger than C. Pakka CD. Next, A is older than F but younger than G. A is older than F but younger than G. Only 3 people are younger than G. After G, there are how many people? Amma? So, A is older than F but younger than G. After G, how many people? Only 3 people are younger. When I say younger, younger will be standing behind you. Elder will be standing before you. So this is G. So AF, I'm not sure. Maybe next line will help us. B is the youngest among all. So this is A. This is F. What's the point here? The age of how many persons is between the ages of E and F? How many are between E and F? 2 persons. Question number 12. Question number 12. What's happening here? 44, 14, 9, 85, 135, 9 and then 70. I always suggest we will go with division first. We'll go with division and we also go with the last option. So when I say division, I have division between 135 and 9. Is 135 divisible by 9? Yes or no? So before is into and before that is equal to. Please pay attention here. 135 divided by 9 is how much? 135 divided by 9 is 15. 15 into 85. ఏడుకో పోతుంది అది అవునా కాదా? ఇట్ గోస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ టు 1275. ఇక్కడ చూస్తే అన్ని చిన్న చిన్న నెంబర్లు ఉన్నాయి. అందులో ఏముంది ప్లస్ మైనస్ వస్తుందా పై ఆన్సర్? వేస్ట్ ఇది. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ పోదాం. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ డివైడ్ బై ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇక్కడే ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ డివైడెడ్ బై అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ప్లస్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ ఇంటూ అండ్ ప్లస్. As discussed earlier, 135 divided by 9 is 15. 15 plus 70 is 85. What is 14 nines? 14 nines is 126. 126 minus 85. 41. 41 plus 44. 85. Done? Now look at this question, embedded figure. What is very important when you see a question on embedded figure? We have to see whether the rotation is allowed or not allowed. Which option can be my answer? Come on, second option. There is only one option and it has to be second. There is no other option. 3. Now you come across this type of questions in the exam. I always suggest only one point. What's that? Compare the first letter with the first, second letter with the second. Is this clear? So first letter, second letter, same gada. So no problem at all. So what should I do? Y power L. What is y power L? Y is the brother of L. Next, L equal to N. L is the sister of N. N plus H. N is the daughter of H. When I say N is the daughter of H, all the three are children of H. H power D. What is H power D? H is the, I'm not sure with the gender of D. Then how is H related to Y? Come on, how is H related to Y? Pretty easy. Avuna kada? Now all good players are winners. All good players eat well. So all good players are win. All good players eat well. So I'll tell you one thing, listen. When he says all good players win, so it doesn't mean that all those who have won are good players. Yes or no? Man చెప్తున్నా, all good players win అంటే all good players win. వీళ్ళంతా ఎవరు? గుడ్ పీపుల్. వాళ్ళందరూ ఏమయ్యారు? విన్ అయ్యారు. కానీ ఈ పార్ట్ ఏంటిది? వీళ్ళు కూడా విన్ అయ్యారు కానీ వాళ్ళు గుడ్ ప్లేయర్సా? అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఆల్ ఏస్ ఆర్ బీస్ అంటే ఆల్ ద ఏస్ ఆర్ బీస్, బట్ ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ ఆల్ బీస్ ఆర్ ఏస్ కదా. దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ అలర్ట్. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ సిలాజిజం వే, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ యూ రైట్ ఇట్. ఆల్ గుడ్ ప్లేయర్స్ విన్, ఆల్ గుడ్ ప్లేయర్స్ eat well. These are those people who have eat well but they are not winners. At the same time they are also not good people. Avuna kada? First conclusion em chadu. All those who eat well are good players. All those who eat well are good players? No. There is some area which does not belong to good players. Next is what? All who win eat well. All those who win eat well? No. Only some of them who win eat well. What's the answer? Neither one, not two. Simple. Don't make it complicated. Now look at this question here. The problem with this question is, if you go with the place values, will you get the answer? If you go with place values, will you get the answer? Chappandamma. If I go with the place values and if I go with the differences, impossible, I won't get the answer. Avuna kada? అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే we will think about vowels and consonants. I have vowels, but here there is no vowel. మళ్ళీ వాడు ఏం చెప్పాడు అక్కడ? In one of the following letter clusters, the number of letters skipped between the adjacent letters is in decreasing order of sequence. Identify the letter cluster. ఇప్పుడు బిఫోర్ రీడింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ సపోజ్ టు రీడ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దట్ వే కదా. వాడు ఏమని చెప్పిండు? The number of letters skipped in between them, between the adjacent letters, is in decreasing sequence. Number of letters skipped between them is in decreasing sequence. Antena? So what can be this? Number of letters skipped and etla తీసుకోవాలి? U కి P కి మధ్యలో ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ స్కిప్ అయినాయి? అమ్మా ఎన్ని లెటర్స్? 16, 21 అంటే 5. స్కిప్డ్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్ ఇస్ 4. అర్థమవుతుందా? మళ్ళా 16, 7. 7 and 16. 7 and 16 is 9, but number of letters is 8. But he said decreasing order. 4, 8, is it in decreasing order? O, J. O is how much? 5 and 10, ante 4. J, E, 10 and 5. 10 and 5 ante difference between them is also 4. This is 3. Ana kada? 3 ana? B enta ma 2, E enta 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Kani between them there will be only 2 letters. ప్రతిదీ చెప్పాలంటే పొరపాటు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇంకా B and G 2 and 7 అంటే 5, బట్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 4. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్? నో. అంటే ఇక్కడ పొరపాటు ఏం జరిగిందంటే క్వశ్చన్ తప్పిచ్చిండు. అర్థమైందా? ప్రింటింగ్లో పొరపాటు క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి వచ్చింది, కింద వచ్చింది ఇంకోటి ఉంది. సో దేర్ వాజ్ అ మిస్టేక్, ఎర్రర్ హ్యాపెండ్ హియర్. Understood everyone? Don't get into that question. If you look at that question, no, you will not get the answer. So 3 out of 4 are in a certain way and follow a rule. One does not belong to the rule. Odd man out question. Okay? So odd man out endante vowels. This does not have vowel. This is my answer. Is this clear? Don't go with the question. Sometimes mistakes do happen. Sometimes mistakes do happen because every day you will be writing around 6 to 7 exams. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? సో ప్రూఫ్ రీడర్, see the CC conducts how many exams every day? Minimum 6. You will write RRB clerks, you will be write RRB POs, and you are writing mains exams, you are writing ADO exams, you are writing SSC exams. ఇన్ని ఎగ్జాములు రాస్తారు రోజు. సో అన్ని పేపర్లు ప్రిపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు చిన్న చిన్న తప్పులు జరుగుతాయి. whenever they are preparing so many papers every day, this type of small mistakes do crept in. Okay na? So don't take them serious. తప్పిచ్చారు అని చెప్పో ఏదో అయిపోకండి. అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇట్లాంటి చిన్న చిన్న జరుగుతాయి, దాని గురించి పెద్ద బాధపడద్దు. ఇప్పుడు ఏంది బాబు? Which 2 signs and 2 numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Plus and minus 4 and 40. So shall I go with the fourth option? And these questions will start from fourth option. So this is 4, but 4 should be changed as 40. Minus should be changed as plus. 15 plus becomes minus 6 into 4 divided by 2 should be equals to 43. First divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 6 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 40 plus 3, 43. This question, what I suggest is, please observe here. 2 different positions of the dice have been shown, the faces of which are marked with the letters E, F, G, H, I, J. Next he said, select the letter which will be on the opposite face of the letter J. If I go with common letters, there is only one common letter. What is that one common letter? E. So E తో చేయటం వల్ల నాకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయా? One thing is for sure, E will be opposite to some letter that I will get the answer. E will be opposite to some letter that I will get the answer. But what about this? Ma? Okay na? So J is opposite to 19. A woman starts from a point and walks 15 meters towards south. This is her starting point and she walks 15 meters south. She turns left and walks for 12 meters. Left for somebody who is south is our right. Then she turns to right and walks for 5 meters. 5 meters down. This is where she is. Finally she takes a U-turn. When you take a U-turn, you'll go into the opposite direction. When you take a U-turn, you'll go in the opposite direction. Avuna kada? సో అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. కానీ వీడు నడుస్తున్నప్పుడు యూ టర్న్ అంటే వెనకాల తిరగాలి. బైక్ మీద ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇట్లా తిరిగింది కదా సార్, అట్లా తిరిగింది ఇవన్నీ చెప్పొద్దు. యూ టర్న్ అంటే ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ నడిచేటప్పుడు, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ వాక్స్ ఫర్ 20. దిస్ ఈస్ 5 ఎక్స్ట్రా 15. దిస్ ఈస్ హర్ ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్. హౌ ఫార్ ఈస్ షీ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్? హౌ ఫార్ ఈస్ షీ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్? అమ్మా 12 meters. This is a good one. Simple. P, Q, R, S, U, V, W, X, Y. J, K, L, M. It should have been C, D, E, F, but what's missing? D is missing. So, odd man out. 1, 2, 3, 9, 4, 7, 5. 2 is multiplied to all the even digits. 4, 8. And 1 is subtracted from all the odd digits. 0, 2, 8, 6, 4. And then all the digits are arranged in descending order. Which order? Descending order. Which of the following is second from the right hand? Descending order, second from the right hand will be the second smallest number. Descending order, second from right will be second smallest number. Which is the first smallest? 0. Second smallest? 2. Closed. What's my answer? 2. Understood? Let's go for the next one. Question number 22. Or maybe this is not that clearly you can see on the screen, but one thing is for sure, you can clearly see this in your handouts. Avuna kada? Chappandamma. I'll just show you what's happening. Whenever you come across this type of things, always concentrate on new elements. Always concentrate on new elements. Pudu, first frame is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay na? Second frame lo 6 went to the top. Ante one step down from 1. One step down from 1. Now 6, is it the same element or new element? Same element. Avuna kada? 5, new element. New element kennan rashna. 4, same. 3, new. 2, same. 1, new. Ante from here to here, the number of the element which is in odd place is becoming a new element. Avuna kada? Malla same story. Ikkada nunchi ikkadaki vaste this is 6, 6 is missing. 6 becomes something like star. Yes or no? So ikkademo odd number became new, ikkada even number position became new. Yes? You can see in your handout, it is very clearly visible in your hands. Malli from third frame to fourth frame, odd became new. Now what did become? Even became new. Now what should become new? Chappandamma. Odd should become new. Avuna kada? Chappandi. ఇప్పుడు ఆడ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఇగో ఇది 2, ఇది 4, ఇది 6. గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. 2, 4, 6. 6 షుడ్ కమ్ వన్ స్టెప్ డౌన్ కదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అంటే హియర్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ అ స్మైలీ. అంతేనా? ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. ఫోర్త్ ఫ్రేమ్ కూడా ఓకే కదా? చెప్పండి. ఫోర్త్ ఫ్రేమ్ కూడా ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఓకే. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఓకే. మరి ఏది చేంజ్ కావాలి సార్? న్యూ ఎలిమెంట్ రావాలి. న్యూ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏం ప్లేస్లో రావాలి? 5 ప్లేస్లో రావాలి. అంతేనా? చెప్పండి. ఇది 1, 3, 5. ఓకేనా? 5 ప్లేస్లో I should get a new element, but this star is already over. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. ఓకేనా? This star is also already over. అవునా కాదా? అంటే this is okay, this is okay. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇంకో స్టార్ with 2 dots. This is also over. Which option is my answer? Fourth option. Clear? Shall I start from fourth option? Come on, come on. 20, what does A stand for? Plus 2. What does G stands for? Come on, come on. Greater than 10. What does M stands for? Into 3. What does A stands for? Amma? Plus na? Plus 12. D stands for divided by 2. This is just 22. Identa 6. 36. Waste. Avatle. Third option. 20. D for division. A plus 4. L ante less than 4 plus 2. M ante multiplication into 3. 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Yes, 9 is less than 10. Correct kada? This question pretty easy. First, you go in this direction, mirror image, and then you go top, water image. What should be my answer? Second option. Any doubts? Thank you.